Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to defrost your refrigerator. Nowadays, we're lucky enough to have refrigerators that stay a certain temperature. They can still get, a little bit of an ice buildup in the freezer. And if you have older refrigerators, a lot of people who have basements, I know my grandmother has a ton of old refrigerators in her basement that she still uses. For some reason, refrigerators don't die. They last for hundreds of years, apparently. Just kidding. Anyway. You need to defrost your refrigerator. First, you want to empty all of your food out of it. Most likely the food in your refrigerator is perishable, so a good thing to do is wait until the winter time when it's cold outside so you can set your food in your garage if it's cold in there or outside, and just make sure no animals are going to get to it, because your refrigerator is going to be defrosting for 5 to 8 hours. So take all your food out and put it outside where it's cold. Then you want to unplug your refrigerator or turn it off. Or if you have a temperature dial, you want to turn it all the way down and just let your refrigerator get warm and heat up. The freezer, same thing. You want to take everything out of it, put it outside. You want to find some pans, some deep baking pans like these, and set them where you think the water is going to be running out. A lot of times it's in the corners. You may have to come back and check and see where the water's running out. But you want to put pans under it so the water can run out into the pans. You want to come back periodically, check the pans, make sure that you've got them in the right place. And once all of the ice is defrosted and all of your freezer glaciers are gone, get some vinegar and water. You can also use like mild soap in a bucket, or if you're a little more of a germ freak, you can use like a teaspoon of bleach in a gallon of water. I use vinegar and water for everything. Spray it out, wipe it down. If you have any really tough stains, use baking soda to, as an abrasive to scrub. And once you've cleaned out your refrigerator, take that baking soda and set it in there. That's going to keep it nice and fresh and keep it from smelling bad. Plug it back in, put all your food back in there, and you won't have to do this again for a couple of years. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you defrost a refrigerator.